Are you prepared for what's coming? The shift in the economy, the shift in the world? And let me ask you this question. With the changes coming, is it a time to just try and survive with bad credit, or is it a time to thrive with good grade and excellent credit? Listen, this is Doreen Delavante, your favorite consumer law expert. And in times like these, a lot of people tend to sit on their hands waiting for somebody to come and save them. Guess what? No one's coming to save you. No one is coming to save you. You have to be responsible. You have to be in tune with yourself to recognize that enough is enough. Too long have we been just surviving off bad credit. Listen, again, my name is Doreen Delavante, your favorite consumer law expert, and I'm going to teach you how to delete anything from your credit. I'm going to teach you how to repair, rebuild, and restore your own credit, and I'm going to teach you how you can be in position. Enough is enough. It is time that we move from paying high interest rate. It is time that we stop asking people to be co-signers. It is time that we stop running away from the repo man. It is time that we stop avoiding collection calls. It is time for us to make a stand. It is time for me to teach you late payments are illegal. You should not have to suffer because of items, negative stuff. Guess what? Derogatory accounts on your credit. It is time for you to take a stand. I want you to come lock in with me for 5 days. For 5 days and 5 days only, I'm going to teach you how to delete any account from your credit. We will not just survive anymore off bad credit. I want you to thrive. I want you to be great. I want you to become the credit hero. I need you to make a difference in your life and the lineage that follow. The first step is investing in you, being your greatest asset, fixing your personal credit. Once you fix your personal credit, you are able to do so much more. Credit changed my life. I was able to start 4 businesses off of credit. All now multiple 6 figures, one business about to hit 7 figures in sales. But if I didn't take that chance, if I didn't make that jump, if I didn't believe in me that it was possible to delete any account on my credit, a few years ago, I didn't know this. I was just like you. I had a repossession. I had a used car, a Nissan Altima, a 2007 Nissan Altima. I couldn't even get the car myself. I had to get a co-signer to get it. My payments were $500 a month on a used car with 75,000 miles. I was paying an 18.90 interest rate on it. I know what it's like being denied for an apartment, being denied for a bank account, being denied for credit cards because I didn't know how to repair, rebuild, and restore my own credit. But then I learned consumer law and I turned all those no's into, hello, Mr. Delavante, how can we assist you? Would you like some champagne while you wait? I had negotiation and buying power because I repaired, rebuild, and restored my own credit. I want that for you. I want that for your family. I need you to be in position. You are your greatest asset. I want you guys to lock in with me for 5 days. 5 days. I will completely change your whole life. And every account on your credit that has been holding you back, those charge-off, those late payments, those bankruptcies, those, what else do you got? Tell me. Student loans? Okay. What else do you got? Evictions? Okay. What else? Whatever account you have that is stopping you from achieving your credit and financial goals, lock in with me for 5 days. General admission is free. You have nothing to lose. General admission is free. There is no excuse why you are not clicking the link below. I'm going to say this again. There is no excuse why you are not clicking the link below to sign up and be a part of this revolutionary change, my 5-day challenge, it's the Master Derogatory Account Deletion Challenge. The Master Derogatory Account Deletion Challenge. Any account on your credit, I will teach you the consumer law, how to delete it. A lot of you don't even know you can get paid for having bad credit. Yeah, you can get paid for having bad credit. Did you know that you can refuse to pay a collection? Some of you looking at me crazy right now. A consumer can refuse to pay a debt collector. 15 U.S.C. 1692 CC. This is federal law. You can use the laws to make money. You have nothing to lose, but everything to gain. It is time we make a difference. It is time. Let's go. Click the link below. I'll be inside waiting on you. Let's go.